Hey guys, welcome back. Today I am not alone. We have a special guest. Please welcome him.
How's it going, Bryce? My name is Peter Pie.
In this video, I am gonna tell you that how you can disassemble your puffed and useless LiPo batteries. This video is gonna be interesting, so stay tuned. Watch this video until end. Let's start the video. Before disassembling your LiPo batteries, you should know that these LiPo batteries are too dangerous to mishandle. Please be careful while doing this job. This is too risky, and do not use any kind of sharp cutters under the batteries that I was willing to do, but I didn't. So use any kind of soft non-edged item like a gift card, ID card, or some kind of SIM card. In this video, this is the most satisfying part. Now this is the most trickiest part in this video. Be careful while doing this job. As you can see my SIM card properly. Do not force the card to get inside the batteries or they get inside that space, because if you harm the batteries you will damage the batteries and there can be anything like explosion or any kind of fire kind of thing, and this is not gonna be cool. So stay calm and don't be me. As you can see, I am not saying calm. Be careful, be patient. So make it slow and slow. As you know, slow and steady wins the race. Now it's time for desoldering. While desoldering, you may short your batteries, like making the connection between in positive and negative, and may short and explosion kind of thing will happen. So be careful while doing this. As you can see, slowly remove every wire, like the main power wire and the balance lead. Then we will move into deattaching or disassembling our original cells. After removing all of your batteries, now it's time to make your battery little more flat. I know there is a lot of gas because puffed batteries are totally useless, but you can still use in your outdoor projects. So by sliding your gift card or any kind of card kind of stuff, you can make your battery more flat. So this will help your battery to look better. So this is the end of the video. I hope you guys liked this video. Make sure that you have subscribed my channel, liked my video, share this video. Stay tuned. Bye bye.